Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to add the Google Gemini widget to your Android home screen. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go and long press on any empty space on your screen, the home screen, and after that go and click on widgets, and here you have to scroll down until you find Gemini. As you can see, this is Gemini. And I just want to tell you something, that what you see here is the normal form of the Gemini widget. But in some phones, like my phone, there is some errors now in that widget. So it may not look in identical way like this. So we should wait for some new updates from Google so the widget will work properly. So to add it, you have just to click on it. And as you can see here, the widget is not working properly on my phone. I will click on done. And it does not look even beautiful, but I'm pretty sure that in few weeks, Google will release an update to fix the errors in that widget. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.